What's up guys, I am Jay from How to Install YouTube channel, and here in this video I will see you how to create and send a new Memoji sticker on Mac and MacBook. Apple introduced some Memoji support with the message effect in macOS Big Sur 2020 update. Hope you guys exciting to use on your Mac. Let's see how to do after create your personal custom Memoji stickers on your Mac from the message app. First of all, open the message app from the launchpad or Spotlight search and select the conversation from that you want to send. Once you open the message, and you will see the App Store icon next to the type box in the message app on Mac, and click on it. Now click on the Memoji sticker options and you will see the pop-up. Here are the built-in all types of funny Memoji. We can use it directly or create a new one by click on the plus icon next to the primary Memoji. Now you will see the different customizations for skin with colors, freckles, cheeks, beauty spots. In the same way, select your hairstyle and with the hair color, then brows with the different shapes and colors. Next is beautiful eyes, then head, nose, mouth, ears, facial hair, eyewear and headgear. These all are the functionality are default. Once you select all the objects for the perfect look, select Done to create your personal Memoji on your Mac. Now, your recently created personal Memoji in a row under the Memoji sticker option that access from the App Store icon next to the type box. Choose any of them and send it directly to your message conversation. Also, we can drag it and send as a reaction of all messages like this. This is really funny and impressive for talk. With the Memoji, we can send a message effect as well. First select the Memoji, then again click on the App Store icon and select the message effects. Now you will see the different effects with your Memoji preview. Select the message screen effects from love, balloons, invisible ink, coffee, slam, laser and loud effect. Once you finalize, click on the blue upper arrow icon to send it in the conversation. That's it. Hope you are enjoying my macOS tricks on custom Memoji stickers with the screen effects. To get more videos, subscribe my channel, like and thumbs up to support me. Thank you guys. Let's see you in the next video.